have a question. I have a boulevard in front of my house. Do you have ideas of what I can plant there?
So the boulevard, it's that area of your yard between the sidewalk and the road. It's a really unique spot because it is right next to the road, so it gets all that salt from the road during the winter. It also is really compacted soil, and there's not a lot of space for the roots to grow. It's also very dry, so you need something for that space that can survive some tough conditions. So you're thinking drought-resistant plants. You're thinking maybe you want something that's a tree that's gonna shade your house, but the branches need to be high enough so that you're not running into it when you're walking on your sidewalk. Turf sometimes doesn't do very well in this space, so if you want something low growing, you could think about putting a pollinator garden there. Think about things like drought-resistant sedges, maybe wild bergamot, echinacea, yarrow. Things that just tend to grow easily that attract pollinators are a good idea for that space. If you want to look into some boulevard trees, hackberry is a wonderful option. It's very drought resistant, and that's what you want. The branches are also high off the ground, so it's not going to block people trying to walk on your sidewalk. Another one is Kentucky coffee tree, and we see this planted in our suburbs along the boulevards a lot. Kentucky coffee tree is another that's kind of a medium-sized tree. It has kind of sparse branches so that some sunlight can still get in below it for you to grow other things. And it also doesn't care about what soil it grows in, so it's a nice boulevard tree. Before you embark on any boulevard planting, just check with your city code, give them a call, or look online to see if they have any restrictions about what you can plant in that boulevard space. Your boulevards are a really great place to increase plant diversity and provide some of those ecosystem services for our local wildlife and insects like pollinators. So don't overlook that space, give it a try.